tell our viewers about your preparation? When did you start? What were your schools and how you prepared?
Okay, so first of all, I want to clear the source was only cerebellum. I was not hunting any other sources. And I started, like I said, I'm with cerebellum since the beginning. So I started in my college days only. I did not wait to return to India, and then in these few months I could start. I started back in my college days, but at that time my preparation was not FMG oriented at all. It was only about information and knowledge. So whatever topics were important for all three exams, like for example, NEET, PGI and FMG, all of these. So I was covering as much as possible with college, whatever I could, जहाँ भी मैं if I could find a few weeks. So अगर मुझे कुछ वीक लगता था, स्पेशली इन क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट सबको थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी होती है. So whenever I got the time, I cleared my concepts. I tried to build a strong base ताकि मुझे इंडिया आके ज़्यादा टेंशन ना हो, and it paid off, I think, because where I returned in India in September first week. After that, my entire preparation was completely FMG oriented, and it was all mission classes and quick revision and BTR after that.
Great. So you attended the live lectures in the mission classes, or you used to hear the recorded ones?
Mostly, I think मेरे case में I think I went for the recorded ones. I wanted to attend the live classes also, but then I have this weird thing with myself. I like to go at my own pace, and that was such a big uh, convenience for me. It is such a big plus point कि live classes I could get access to them even recorded, and uh, it was very easy for me because I could say कि main videos is so much, but then something it worked so beautifully for me because something was being done by the teachers that was only catered, only tailor made for the exam of my interest. So इतने सारे पहाड़ में इतना सा मतलब बिल्कुल कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके जो नॉलेज मेरे को चाहिए थी, आई कुड गेट दैट वाज अ बिग बर्डन ऑफ माई शोल्डर्स. दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग बर्डन ऑफ माई शोल्डर्स बिकॉज मुझे पता था कि मेरा ज़्यादा मेहनत उसी में लग जाती, क्या नहीं पढ़ना है और क्या पढ़ना है. So I'm very grateful for that. I ordered the workbooks also along with the mission classes. I did my notes in them and I revised from those notes. And then the words book, like you saying, with those workbooks, I made that my 20th notebooks. And मैं पूरा तो नहीं fill कर पाई इस book को, but I did study whatever I wrote a day before the exam from that book only. Yeah, it worked beautifully.